Exercise 5.4, first problem. Expand the following in ascending order of x and find the condition. 1 by 5 plus x can be written as 5 plus x whole power minus 1. We are taking this to the numerator so that the power will be minus 1. So from this bracket I want to take 5 as common factor. So I can take this as 5 into 1 plus x whole power minus 1. I can write like this. 5 into 1 plus x whole power minus 1. The whole power minus 1 is for this 5 and this 1 plus x. So we can separate this 5 power minus 1 into, here it is x by 5, isn't it? So 1 plus x by 5 whole power minus 1. If you are taking 5 as common factor, it must be divided by 5 here. So 1 plus x by 5 whole power minus 1. In this bracket we have 1 plus x by 5. This can be written as the binomial expansion. We have the formula 1 plus x whole power minus 1. So we are going to extend this formula here. So we got 1 by 5 as 5 inverse can be written as 1 by 5 and 1 plus x whole power minus 1. This can be written as 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus etc. like this. And then I want to simplify the brackets there. So we have 1 by 5 into 1 minus x by 5 plus x square by 25 and then x cube by 125. Here instead of x we have x by 5. Here x by 5 the whole square. Here x by 5 the whole cube. Isn't it? So this expansion is valid only if modulus of x by 5 less than 1. If you simplify this one, we will get the cross multiplication as modulus of x less than 5. So this is the condition we have for this binomial expansion. Second division, 2 by 3 plus 4x the whole square. Even here also I can write the denominator as, take 3 as common here. So 3 into 1 plus 4x by 3 the whole square. That whole square is for this 3 also. So that we can separate this as 3 square into 1 plus 4x by 3 the whole square. Okay. So this 3 square is 9. So we can write this as 2 by 9 here and then we can take this to the numerator as 1 plus 4x by 3 whole power minus 2. Now we have the expansion, binomial expansion for 1 plus x the whole power minus 2. So we want to extend here 1 minus 2 into 4x by 3 plus 3 into 4x by 3 the whole square minus x square. Then we want to simplify this. So we have 2 by 9 into 1 minus 8x by 3 plus 3 into 4x by 3 the whole square etc. Here this 4x by 3 is in the bracket, isn't it? Instead of x we have this. So this is valid when modulus of 4x by 3 less than 1. If you cross multiply this and want to get the answer for modulus of x is modulus of x less than 3 by 4. Third division of first problem. 5 plus x whole power 2 by 3. This 5 plus x whole power 2 by 3 can be written in the form of 5 power 2 by 3 into 1 plus x square by 5 whole power 2 by 3. Here 5 plus x square is the problem. So we can take this as 5 power 2 by 3 into 1 plus x square by 5 whole power 2 by 3. So keep this as it is. Now we have the formula for this one, binomial formula for this one as 1 plus x whole power p by q. This is the formula, 1 plus x whole power p by q. That is nothing but 1 plus p by q x plus p by q into p by q minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square plus p by q into p by q minus 1 into p by q minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x cube plus etc. So this formula I want to apply for this bracket 1 plus x square by 5 whole power 2 by 3. So now we can extend this formula to this. So now we have this p by q is 2 by 3 into x is nothing but x square by 5. Likewise here this p by q is here, p by q minus 1 is here and 2 factorial into x square and then plus etc. Then again we want to simplify here. So we have 1 plus 2x square by 15, just multiply here and then simplify the brackets here. So keep 2 by 3 as it is. This 2 by 3 minus 1 is minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 factorial is 2 and then x power 4 by 5 square is 25. Okay, and then again we want to simplify these things, isn't it? So keep this 1 plus 2x square by 15 as it is and then here we can simplify this as 2 and 2 will get cancelled and then 3 and 3 also will get cancelled. The remaining things are x power 4 by 25 only. So this is valid if this bracket instead of x we have modulus of x square by 5 less than 1. Multiply this, we will get modulus of x square less than 5. Okay, so we can have this as modulus value here. We can put modulus of x square less than 5. And then fourth part of first problem, x plus 2 whole power minus 2 by 3. So here take 2 as common factor there, so that we have 2 power minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus x by 2 whole power minus 2 by 3. Here we can take this as 1 by 2 power 2 by 3 into, for this we want to extend the binomial formula 1 plus x whole power minus p by q. So 1 minus 2 by 3 into x here plus, alternatively we have to put the symbols here because here it is minus. So plus minus here p by q into p by q minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square. Then again we want to simplify here 1, we can cancel these two so that x by 3 is here and then for the next term simplify the bracket, we have minus 5 by 3 divided by 2 factorial is nothing but 2 only, here x square by 4. Then again we can simplify here. So we got 1 minus x by 3 plus 5x square by 36 plus etc. Here instead of x what we have there, x by 2. So modulus of x less than 2 will be here. So it is not given here, you just write down afterwards. Modulus of x by 2 less than 1. So modulus of x less than 2 is the condition for this binomial expansion.